Have you ever wondered what your natal chart says about you? Unfolding the cosmic blueprint of your life, a natal chart, also known as a birth chart or horoscope, is a map of the sky at the exact moment of your birth. It's a snapshot of the celestial bodies and their positions, a personalized celestial compass that astrologers use to unearth insights into your personality, relationships, career, and various life experiences. At the heart of a natal chart are the planets. The sun, moon, and planets from Mercury to Pluto are all noted in the chart, and each represents different aspects of your life and personality. The sun signifies your core being, your moon reflects your inner emotional world, while Mercury influences your communication style, to name a few. Then there's the Zodiac. Imagine the sky divided into 12 slices, each one a zodiac sign. These signs influence the way the planets express their energies. For example, if your sun is in Leo, you might have a dramatic, expressive, and leadership-oriented personality. The natal chart is also divided into 12 segments, known as houses. These houses represent different areas of life, from personal identity to career, to relationships and beyond. The houses are numbered from 1 to 12, beginning from the ascendant or the rising sign. The ascendant, the sign that was rising on the eastern horizon at your birth, is a crucial piece of your astrological puzzle. It shapes your outer personality and how others perceive you. Aspects, the angular relationships between planets, indicate how they interact. These interactions can be harmonious or challenging, influencing various aspects of your life. The phase of the moon at your birth also plays a vital role. It can reveal your emotional tendencies and reactions. Lastly, astrologers look at the dominant elements and modalities in your chart. The elements, fire, earth, air, and water, and the modalities, cardinal, fixed, and mutable, provide insights into your overall nature and approach to life. So to create your natal chart, you'll need your birth date, time, and location. Astrologers use specialized software or online tools to generate your chart, which they then interpret using astrological principles. Each person's natal chart is unique, contributing to the diversity of personalities and life paths. It's like a celestial fingerprint, distinct and personal, making you, well, you. It's a tool for self-discovery, a way to gain a deeper understanding of your potentials and the challenges you might face. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, it's not just stars and planets you see, it's a cosmic reflection of you. It's a story written in the stars waiting to be read. It's the mystery and magic of your natal chart.